Is your washing machine drum not spinning? Then check the belt. To take off an old belt, hold on to it and turn it anti-clockwise. To install, make sure the grooves are facing inwards. Loop it in the middle of the motor barrel. Feed in clockwise. Make sure it's in the middle of the wheel and not touching the back. Firmly press down on the belt while feeding it clockwise. Job done.